Let's explore the POS module in GStocky. We begin by opening the cash register. Just enter the starting cash amount to begin the session. This will help track every transaction accurately throughout the day. Now let's move to the POS interface. Here we can select a few products and add them to the cart. Let's also choose a client, apply a discount, and complete the sale. The interface is fast, smooth, and optimized for quick in-store transactions. Next, let's head over to the transactions section. This is where all sales are recorded, with details like the total amount, payment method, time, and customer. Everything needed for clear and organized tracking. From there, we move to Insights. This section gives a real-time overview of sales performance, including totals, top products, and payment breakdowns, updated live as transactions happen. Finally, let's return to the cash register and close the session. We enter the closing cash amount, and GStocky instantly generates a summary with total revenue, profit, and any discrepancies. That's a complete run-through of the POS module inside GStocky. Fast, flexible, and fully connected to your business.